two districts of Goa have identified their products, which are North Goa cashew nuts, and secondary product is fenny. South Goa fenny is the first product, primary product, and cashew is the second product. Will give finance to the every state, 50-year interest-free loan, so that for Goa, for this Goa, 100 crores have been allocated. So mall will have the places for all the states. All the states will, one district, one product will be displayed there, and this state products which have been identified, they will be displayed. This is a unique concept.
पर्यावरण मंत्री रोहन म्हणटा म्हयन्या भितर मॉलाचो जागो थारावन DPR सबमिट करता.
Ensure that the right things come into Goa, and Unity Mall is one of the dream projects for all of us to ensure that it comes at the earliest. As we have committed, we will strive, the team here from industries to tourism and the collectors will strive to ensure that the land and other things detailing and the DPR within 1 month is submitted to the center, to his ministry, for which, based on which further support will help us to actually get this particular mall in reality. This will definitely help tourism at a large scale in not only showcasing our products of cashew and fenny, which are ODOP, one district, one product, but also allow the people coming here to see products of every state in one particular area.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश घाडी बरोबर सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.